What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by The Weeknd, Blinded by the Lights. Super easy, 4 chords, and then I can show you that melody. But I'm in standard tuning, and if you want to play along with the song, play the same chords and put a cape on first fret, okay? So that's what you gotta do to play along with the record. Alright, let's go. E minor. The song is in E minor. 1, 2. Got a B minor bar chord. Sorry, beginners. 2nd fret, starting on the A string. 4, 4, 3. But if you're a beginner, kind of a beginner, we can cheat with this B minor. No barring. So that's 2A and 2G. That sounds pretty good too. Alright, then we got a D9. 2G, 3B. And opening string, and then A9, 2D, 2G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the verses, let's mute. Same strumming, just put your right hand on the bridge and mute the strings. For the pre-chorus, you can open up a little bit. Make it a little harder. Then we're gonna break. 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. Great song. Easy. Okay, so that's all the chords on the strumming. Down, down, taka, taka, down, down, taka, taka, down, down, taka. Down, 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 down. And then we got that cool melody that is in the beginning, in the middle, and towards the end. 5 on B, and you can play the high E string at the same time. 2 hits there on 5, and then 3, 5, 7, and then 4 on G, and 3 on B. That's 2 times, and then we end with E string, 5, 2, and then 5, 3 on B string, and end on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by the Lights, The Weeknd. Alright, thank you folks. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe. Take it easy.